Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at the brand spanking new Martin D17M. But before we do so, please click on the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. You'll be very happy that you did so. The Martin D17M. Well, the 0017M rocked, and it was introduced just a bit ago. And this one just came into our shop last week. And it is equally awesome, but on a much larger format. It's a dreadnought. What we have on the D17M is a beautiful Sitka spruce top that's been shaded to a nice dark chocolatey brown. Looks awesome. We have a solid Murado bridge with a bone saddle and ebony bridge pins, a faux tortoiseshell pickguard to match the faux tortoiseshell binding. We have a single ring wooden rosette. And on the back, we have a beautiful solid piece of dark brown mahogany. You'll notice the back is finished in satin and the top has a gloss finish. The fingerboard is also solid Murado, which is a rosewood type of wood. It's very dense. It's a great fingerboard wood. It's a great bridge wood. We have inlaid on the 5th, 7th, and 9th fret small split diamonds. We have an 1 11/16 bone nut, open gear tuners, and the classic vintage style Martin headstock with the silkscreen decal. The neck has a nice low oval profile and it's extremely comfortable to play. This guitar is kind of a ninja. It totally surprised me. Under the hood, we have an A-frame X-style bracing, and it's an incredibly dry, responsive guitar. It has a beautiful cutting mid-range. So we're going to give this Martin D17M a play so you can hear what it sounds like. If you're interested in this guitar, head on over to acousticletter.com where you can call or email us with your questions. For more acoustic guitar reviews and comparisons, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking this button.